Hello, my name is Shirmen and I work as a civil engineer in Ottawa. Before I met Tracy, I was struggling with how to invest in stock market. I followed some YouTubers' advice and bought some stock where I lost tremendous amount of money. After working with Tracy, I feel more confident. I regained my confidence in stock investing and I also learned how to analyze the company and the stocks before I put my money in. With Tracy program, she provided me an analytical skill and mindset that helped me success in my future stock investments. I am thrilled to share with you that today I'm more confident to invest in stock and even more confident in the company that I had did research and put my money in. If you are a new investor like me, I would recommend you to work with Tracy. Thank you.